Articles a, an, and the. Let's crack. Add an adjective before each noun and then write a or an correctly. One has been done for you. आपको करेक्ट एडजेक्टिव लिख के ए और एन का यूज करना है. जैसे गर्ल है, एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. कार है, द रेड कार. आ वाइट एलिफेंट. आ पीसफुल कंट्री. एन इंटेलिजेंट एक्टर. तो इस तरह से आपने एडजेक्टिव को भी रखा है और उसके साथ ए और एन का यूज भी किया है. जैसे ए है आपका एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल और सेकंड में आपका केवल कार लिखा हुआ है, तो आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं? अ स्पीडी कार. नेक्स्ट आपका एलिफेंट है तो अ वाइट एलिफेंट. नेक्स्ट कंट्री, अ पीसफुल country. Actor, an intelligent actor. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. A and N are called indefinite articles. The is called definite articles. आपके जो A and the हैं उसमें A और N आपके indefinite हैं और the definite article में आता है. Articles A on N. A and N mean one. A and N are placed before countable nouns in the singular number. For example, a car, a book, an apple, an umbrella. We don't put a or an before uncountable noun. अगर noun uncountable है तो हम a और n का use नहीं करेंगे. For example, give me a water. She has an water. तो ये आपका incorrect होगा. Use of A. We use A before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, 12 inches make a foot. Please wait a minute. Would you like to have a cup of tea? A is also used to say what kind of thing or person, something, somebody is. For example, Anita is a clever girl. This is a meaningful story. A is also used to say what somebody's job or occupation is. किसी का job क्या है, किसी का क्या occupation है, उसमें भी हम use करते हैं. For example, my mother is a teacher. Harsh Nikam is a doctor. Use of an. We use an before words that beginning with a vowel sound. अगर vowel sound है तो उससे पहले an. For example, A. I have an apple for breakfast. B. He uses an umbrella on sunny days. We also write an honorable man since HO is pronounced as O, a vowel sound. इसमें क्या आ रहा है? Vowel sound आता है. We do not use an before university and uniform because the U in university and uniform is pronounced as U, a consonant sound. क्योंकि जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो साउंड किसका आ रहा है? U का, और U हमारा कॉन्सोनेंट है, तो यहाँ हम N का यूज नहीं करेंगे. Therefore, I is used with countable and singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds, and an is used with countable and singular nouns beginning with vowel sounds. A with consonant and consonant sounds, and with vowel and vowel sounds. Now article the. Read the following sentences. There is a man outside. The man wants to see you. The dress you wore on the New Year party was lovely. We use the when we mean a particular person or thing. So it is also called definite article. We use the when the person or thing referred to is quite obvious. For example, please shut the door. Go to the post office. Particular person place के आगे हम the का use करते हैं. See, I didn't like the film. उसको specify किया गया है. In the above sentences, both the speaker and the listener know which door, post office और फिल्म दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, क्लियर है कि किसके बारे में बात हो रही है, तो पर्टिकुलर है। मोर यूजेस ऑफ द is used with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges. इनसे पहले भी द का यूज होगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल द Ganges, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas. The names of well-known buildings, अगर well-known buildings हैं तो द का यूज होगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल द इंडिया गेट, द ताज महल। The names of holy books, newspapers, for example the Gita, the Quran, the Hindustan Times. The names of trains, ships and aeroplanes, for example the Rajdhani Express, the Orient Express. The names of some countries, the name contains a common noun. For example, the United States of America, USA, the United Kingdom, UK. Contains the common nouns states, kingdom, the superlative degree. For example, the highest peak, the most intelligent student. अगर superlative degree है तो उससे पहले भी द का यूज होगा। Phrases such as the first, the last, the next, the only. For example, he is the only son. That was the last time we met. Omission of the articles. Articles को हमें कहाँ यूज नहीं करना है। The is not used with the following. अब जो नीचे मैं आपको रीड करने जा रही हूँ, इनके साथ द का यूज नहीं होगा। With proper nouns, for example, the Sonali Sharma, the India. With uncountable noun that name materials. Material को अगर है रेफर तो आप द का यूज नहीं करेंगे। For example, the sugar, the iron. Name qualities, for example the honesty, the innocence. But we use the with such nouns when they are made particular. अगर particular हैं तो हम द का यूज करेंगे। For example, I need sugar for making tea. No article with sugar. Please pass me the sugar in the jar. One is talking about particular sugar which is in the jar. Hence the sugar. हमने केवल शुगर था तो नहीं यूज करा, लेकिन पर्टिकुलर जिस जार में शुगर है वो देने के लिए कहा है तो हम द का यूज करेंगे। Now practice and polish. Fill in the blanks with a or an wherever necessary. Put cross if no article is needed. He ate an apple. A dog is a faithful animal. He was late by an hour. Mona Lisa is a famous painting. The children are afraid of snakes. He climbed an old mango tree. You must write with the blue ink. The crow had a piece of cheese in his beak. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. He is not an honest person. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the as required. An Arabian Nights is an interesting book. January is the first month of a year. The Hindu is a good newspaper. Here is a blanket. Give the blanket to the poor. The Himalayas lie to the north of India. Don't make a noise. Noise will disturb the baby. Where is the man who saved his neighbor's life? Madhuri wore the most expensive dress on her wedding. A man lost his watch in a fair. The man informed the police. It was a difficult lesson. The teacher explained the lesson well. Correct the following sentences by inserting articles where necessary. जहाँ जरूरी है आपको 1 to 5 sentences में articles को लिखना है। 6 to 10 भी आप सेम करेंगे। Now fun corner. Form questions and answers using the words and phrases given below. Place the correct articles before the words. Follow the एग्जाम्पल्स, आपको एग्जाम्पल्स दिया है, उसको फॉलो करते हुए आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू फॉर्म क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स यूजिंग द वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस गिवन इन द बॉक्स। तो वहाँ से लेकर के आपको उसे कंप्लीट करना है, तो इसे आप करेंगे।